So, I don't know what's through with this. This is unscripted. My bad. Congrats on 500. This is part of this is my part of the collab for Bestie's 500 celebration. 500 sub. I can't talk. I'm sorry. I don't know what to say on this. So basically, she gave me a sketch of her drawing. I gave her a sketch of mine, and we finished each other's. So she has my Salt to Solidarity drawing, and I have her just celebration drawing. This also took me quite a bit, considering the wonky proportions. I'm sorry, that's sinful. I'm so sorry. But I'm proud of it, and ignore the floating plate. I couldn't figure out something to hold up. Ignore it. Imagine it's a kickstand or something. Okay, wait, no, it isn't floating. I didn't see that. Anyways, yeah, I can't talk for 2 minutes straight. I don't know what to say. I don't know, I didn't make a script. So. Yeah, this is all done in one take, so you're gonna hear so many mistakes that I would normally cut out. I think. I don't know. But yeah, congrats to 500 and now 600, bestie.